Do you know what that is? Is that a nose plug?
It hurts. It is very painful, but effective. Am I right?
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say.
Have you ever had a time when you're like in a brand new area and you're wondering to yourself, boy, I wonder if there could be a geocache here, and you look at the app and you're like, oh my gosh, there's literally a geocache 50 feet from where I am right now. I was just sitting here in my hotel room, checked the app Cachely, and sure enough, there's a geocache literally right across the street at this outdoor gear place. As I'm looking up, I'm trying to ask myself, can I figure out where the geocache is from like 50 feet away from my hotel room? Like, can I find a geocache literally from my hotel room? So I'm pointing at ground zero right now, and I'm zooming in here, and you guys, I think I can spot the geocache. You guys, that's the first. I think I literally found a geocache from my hotel room. But I gotta go down there. I gotta go down across the street to confirm that I indeed can spot the geocache. It's almost time for dinner. I'm supposed to meet my friend and coworker Switch. I wonder if he's willing to go across the street before we get some Chinese food. There's only one way to find out. Let's go downstairs. Let's see if he's interested. Switch, I have a very important question for you. Question number one, are you hungry? Okay, cool. Question number two, will you find a geocache with me right now? Right now. Answer. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Yeah. Oh, that was only 2 seconds. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna believe this, Switch. I just discovered that there's literally a geocache across the street from our hotel room, and I think I already found it.
You already found it.
I already found it.
Find it again.
Dude, no.
Oh.
I have not found it. Like, I haven't put my hands on it. I literally found it from my own room. Like, I think I spotted it from a distance. From a distance, there is...
We nailed it.
We nailed it! I'm gonna sandbag, which means I'm not gonna like try to like really go for it. I'm gonna make you find it first.
Okay, all right.
Tell everybody what your car is called.
Geodude!
His car is called Geodude. Do these even do anything at all? Do these even work? Are these just to make you feel like you're doing something?
Yep, no, nothing.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
All right, we're almost there. We're getting very close to the geocache. You gotta use your Geodude skills. Are your geo senses like tingling?
I think so. I don't know. Maybe
He just
go to the bathroom or something.
Maybe he just has to go to the bathroom. Maybe that's it. Switch. Geodude friend. You're my only friend that has a car named Geodude.
Yes.
You should be really, really good at this.
Yes.
So behind you, look behind you. That's where we slept. We right now are what is called ground zero.
Okay.
This is where it says the geocache is.
Okay.
But now it's time to use your Geodude senses to find it. Switch, you gotta put your hands on stuff.
Okay.
You gotta move stuff around.
Okay.
It's cleverly disguised. What is that? That is that it? Either you're finding the geocache or you're breaking this wall.
I think I'm breaking the wall.
Don't break the wall, Switch!
Okay, all right.
Oh, these sometimes can be geocaches.
No,
Is that, yeah.
that is stuck on there.
That's real, Ernie.
Something is happening.
Don't, if I pull that off, I'm breaking the wall again. What about this Switch? And it's, don't touch it.
That's real.
That's real. Which, are you frustrated? Or are you
Not frustrated.
You're
no.
not frustrated?
No.
You're still having fun?
Morale is still high out here.
Okay,
Yeah.
as long as you're still having fun. As long as you're still having fun, that's important. Switch is still having fun, although we're struggling. Although I have not checked the spot where I thought it was when I looked for my room. Like, I literally think I found it from my room.
Where is it?
Do you want me to tell you, or do you want to keep looking?
I think I'm hot on the trail.
I could play the hot and cold game. All right, here we go. You're moving very slow. Warmer, 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 hot, red hot, cold, 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 warmer, warmer, hot, red hot, steaming, burning hot. Yes!
Jackpot!
Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, what a cool setup. Look at it. It blended in so well with the wall. What? Are you okay? He's choked up.
I'm just so emotional.
He's so emotional. There it is.
Open it?
Yeah, dude, open it.
Oh, look at what do we have? We have the logbook.
Hey, there it
What else
is.
do we have? A crayon. Switch, forget about Chinese. We got pizza coupons. A shoelace.
This is a nose plug.
No, it's not a nose plug. That is so
gotta
cool. Do you know what that is? Is that a nose plug?
It hurts. It is very painful. But effective, am I right?
Oh my gosh, Switch, that is true treasure. You know what that is? It's a hand puppet. Watch this. Oh my gosh, I didn't know this geocache had like a creature guardian. You just found the geocache. I'm a horrible ventriloquist. And my eyeballs match with your sunglasses. It's a puppet! We found a friend. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, you're the winner. You found it, you found it. A hair thing? Is that not the best man bun you've ever seen in your life?
Oh, I feel great.
You feel great.
This is a great find.
Yeah.
We were just out here on the streets. Morale was high. We kept going and we found it. Look at all this great stuff we found.
What did you think of the hide? What did you think of this? Like, what do you think of the disguise?
You know, this is a tough find for me. I know Josh said he saw it from outside his hotel room.
I did find it.
But it took me to be right here on ground zero. Right here on ground zero. I'm out
Right here.
Ground zero.
We're here.
Finding geocaches out on the streets.
And you found a puppet.
We found a puppet amongst so many other cool things.
We found a trackable. You don't even know what a trackable is, Switch. It's American flag. America, America, from sea to shining sea. Sing it, puppet. First time I've ever found a geocache from my hotel window. Great job, Switch. Thanks for helping me out. Now, you guys go over here, watch another video. Don't stop watching geocaching videos. Why would you do that? Why? Go over there, make it happen. Watch some more videos. See ya. Bye.